Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sahla Parveen. Today I am going to talk about three very important and beautiful points that I have got from the book The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. It is one of the bestseller books and it is known as one of the very spiritually enlightening book because The Power of Now, that book essentially speaks about the importance of the living in the present moment. So the first and the most important point that I feel that I have read from that book and understood, life is just a series of present moments. There are 2 days in life where you cannot do anything, that is yesterday and tomorrow. So if you just realize, we are most of the time regretting about our past, or we are too much worried about the future or too much excited about the future that we forget to live in this present moment. It is very, very important to know what you are doing right now. How do you feel? Do you enjoy this moment? Even if you're feeling the pain, just be in that pain. Just know that. So how do you do that? Just get an awareness about your mind. Just try to start watching your mind as a second person. What you're thinking, what you're doing, just feel and just be in that moment. When you just realize that, okay, I am thinking about the past and regretting, don't judge your mind, don't feel bad about it. Just stop that thought and just be in that moment. It is very, very important to live in the present moment, to enjoy in this present moment, so that tomorrow you are not going to regret about this today that you had wasted thinking about the past. And most of the worries that we have in our mind are not going to really actually happen in the future. So why do we waste our time just worrying about it? It may happen or it may not happen. Even if it happened, if you cannot control over it, then why should you worry today? What change it will make in your life? So that's a very important point. The second very most important point is, all pain is the resistance to the things that you cannot change. Okay, so if you have a pain, if you feel very much pain, that is because you are trying to change something which we cannot change. See, there are a lot of things in this world which is beyond our control, which we cannot control. So leave that, let it go, and you just focus on this present moment, so that this present moment, when you take an important and profound step, you are going to reach a beautiful future. So don't try to resist things that you cannot control. What is in your control is your own thought process, is your own thinking level. So be in this moment and enjoy this beautiful moment. And the third very important point is that you can free yourself from pain by constantly observing your mind and not judging your thought. Okay, so we keep judging ourselves, we keep judging others. So first thing where you can change your thought processes. See, within one day you cannot bring this thought process of living in the awareness or living in this moment, but constantly you have to come into an awareness, and when you come into an awareness, change your thought process, leave the past and start living in this beautiful moment. It is like you are walking in a beautiful garden and you are not able to see the beautiful garden or the flowers or the butterflies flying there and the beautiful wind that blowing on your face, but you are just thinking about the past or worrying about the future. And tomorrow maybe nothing happens as a problem in the future and you will regret about that beautiful moment you had wasted in your life. So even if you are if you ask a 24 or 25 years old person, they are like, okay, I don't know what my future is going to happen, and they are so much worried about the future. or maybe a person at 70, they are mostly regretting about, why did my past, I didn't do like this or I did like that. So just leave all that aside and have a beautiful present moment. Live in this present moment. Do have a focus, okay? So sometimes what happens is when people read Power of Now, they have misunderstood the book as, it is just like, okay, you don't have to do anything in life, you have to just live in this moment and life will just happen as it is. No, you have to have a planning, you have to see a future, but still you have to be very much aware about each and every day and each and every step that you take in your life. Be grateful for each and every day that is happening in your life. If I give an example, if you want to reach to the top of the hill, you have seen a destination as top of the hill, but you will actually enjoy only if you are enjoying every moment that you are walking towards that destination. When you are able to see the journey, you are able to experience the moment of climbing that mountain, then you really live your life. You are joyful, you are loved, you feel happy from within. But what happens is when you are on the way walking to the hill, you will be like, oh my god, will I actually reach there? Why did I start walking in this way? Is this the easy way? All those past questions and the future anxieties are stopping you from enjoying the moment of that journey. That journey is only with us, because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. It's not in our hands. But yes, you can just have a plan of what's going to happen next and just enjoy this moment, and that's how you can make your life much beautiful, rather than sitting and regretting about the past. So some people, what they do is, okay, I'm not walking above the hill, we'll just stand there and look at the hill. And what happens is later in your life you'll be like, I should have done something, I should have given a try. So always experience your life to the fullest. Live your life to the fullest. Just stop regretting. You don't have to do everything what others are doing. Your life is your unique life, and just start loving from within. No external factors can define the love within you. Your partner is not going to love you unless and until you love yourself, and nothing external is going to affect you, because if you have self-love within you. So if your destination is to reach your hill or to anywhere, just be aware of each and every moment you take. Feel the moment, feel happy about it, focus more on the positive moments and positive things that are happening. Let go of the past, let go of the fear, let go of the anxiety, and just know where you are going, and all that matters is this beautiful moment. And just feel so much happy and grateful in this moment that your future is going to be really amazing if the clarity and the quality of this present moment is really beautiful. Be focused on what you are doing right now. If you do right things right now, your future is going to be really amazing. So have a wonderful present moment, a series of present moments that makes your future just amazing. Thank you so much.